It's 4th of July. Even though there's a lot going on in the world right now, let's all just hit the pause button. Fire up the grill, watch the fireworks, hug your grandkids, and take a moment to appreciate the freedom we're all so fortunate to share. Now, that doesn't mean everything else stops. Unfortunately, the debt clock is still ticking. There's tons of economic news that can impact us all. I'm keeping an eye on it so you don't have to. Next week, I'll break it all down: what's unfolding, why it matters, and how to protect what you've worked so hard to build. Until then, enjoy your holiday. Have a safe, fun, all-American 4th of July.